Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to explain one of the scientific reasons why stress and the stress hormone cortisol may influence your appetite and your food cravings and your behaviors around food. Now, we all know on some level that stress influences how we eat and how we choose food. It's pretty clear. I mean, it's much harder to make the choices that you want to make with your nutrition if you're very stressed. This is the reality, okay? Now, in the study I've shared here today, what researchers did is they essentially, I'm oversimplifying it, but what they essentially did is they injected people with an amount of cortisol, which is the stress hormone, that reflects a normal response in a stressful situation. So they tried to recreate what happens internally when you're stressed. And then they evaluated what that did to certain parts of the body. And they found two things. First of all, when you introduce cortisol to someone, their hunger level does go up. Okay, so we kind of knew that on some level, right? Stress makes many people more hungry and desire food. But this is what was very interesting. They found that blood flow to certain parts of the brain that are responsible for controlling appetite and food behaviors was reduced. So presumably, if there's less blood flow to an area, less oxygen, less nutrients, that part of the brain for that period of time is not going to work as well. So this may be one of the many reasons why excessive stress negatively influences our control and behavior around food, because it reduces blood flow to key parts of the brain that help to regulate those behaviors. Now, the even bigger question is, what can you do about it? Because we stress comes and goes in life, and we can't always control our sources of stress. So one thing that I recommend for anyone out there that you can do right now to lower your cortisol levels and certainly lower them over time is deep breathing. And that could be as simple as 4-second inhale and 5-second exhale. So something like this. Doing that for about 10 minutes a day. Okay, I've seen studies that this actually can literally help lower cortisol levels. So above and beyond that, of course, we have more complex things like yoga and meditation, which usually requires some instruction. For some people, for certain periods of time that are really stressful, there are supplements like ashwagandha and L-theanine, which can help promote relaxation. They're not for everyone, and they're probably not meant to be used forever, but those are just some ideas. Anyway, I hope this video helped, and for those of you out there who are struggling to put their best foot forward if they're during times of really high stress, you're not alone. Your body is working against you. So, be kind to yourself and try your best when you have the opportunity to do so. Anyway, hope this video helped. Hope you have a great day, and hope you check out the rest of my content.